Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, we are finally going to be doing my 6-month project pan update. Before we do get into it, if you'd like to know how I created the eye look that I am wearing in today's video, it was from this past Sunday's fall makeup look that is super easy to recreate, no false lashes, 3 colors max. Definitely check it out, linked in the description box. Now let's get on into it. The very first product we're starting off with, it's the Ulta Beauty bronzer slash highlighter, but mostly we're going to talk about the bronzer. We hit a bigger pan in this compared to last time, which if I have a photo up, I will post it up here on the screen, as well as from the very beginning when we did start. I don't have like over the course of each month a picture wise, but hey, video format works too, right? So we have definitely hit a more noticeable pan on the side here, and I am stoked. It also looks like it's thinning out quite a bit, so there's not much left product here anyway, so I feel like maybe in the next 3 months, if not maybe by the end of my project pan in March of 2022, we will be done with this. But hey, for the time being right now, this is exciting and I'm super pleased with where we're going with it. Now these next couple of products do have some progress to them. Now, is it as much as I would have liked it to be, or as much as I could have been doing in the past 3 months from June until this point today? To be honest, I kind of forgot about all of my Project Pan products until like recently, so that kind of gives you an idea of how much usage they've gotten. But our first 2 products are going to be the primers that I included in here, and it's the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer as well as the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. This one I might be able to pan in maybe like the next 3 months. There is quite a bit of product still left. I don't know if you can tell with the shadow, but there's some buildup here, here, and then right here. But hopefully soon I can get this down and I can get this out of my collection. The e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer is a different story. This one I feel like it's going to take a little longer, so I think maybe by the end of my project pan, when we have completed it for the full 1 year time frame that I set for myself. And I only say that because based off of June's marker, which is right here, and then you look right above it, and this is September's marker. Next product, this one is a little harder to tell in terms of where I was at when I first started compared to where I'm at now, and it's the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. It's hard to really tell in these types of bottles. Now again, I have not used this a lot over the past 3 months, but I have used it quite a bit over the past couple of days, so I don't really have any like physical like markers on here. Last product that has some still noticeable pan. It's not a huge difference, and it's still one that I'm still beating myself up for. I'm still like, when is this going to be done? Because at the beginning of this, I was still scraping the sides. Here in September, I'm still scraping the sides, and I'm like, is this some magic product that every time I open this and I scrape the sides, that new product just magically reappears? Like, I don't understand. Is this some like voodoo happening here? Because this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation, you can see I'm scraping the sides. You can see I am literally trying every bit to use this up. Inside, if you look at it, there is still so much product. I'm like, how? If I feel like I am almost done with this. But no, I'm not. So hopefully in the next 3 months, this will be empty. This will be cleaned out. These are going to take years to pan. I guarantee it. If highlighters take forever, I'm sure these blushes will take forever. So I have the W7 Fifth Avenue blush as well as the Milani Illuminating Face Powder. This is 03 Beauty's Touch. Yeah, these still look the same as when I first started. I'm pretty sure by the end of Project Pan, when I hit the 1 year mark, I'm just going to completely take these out because I'm actually getting quite tired of looking at them. And of course, the final product that of course doesn't have any noticeable pan difference or any noticeable change in it is the highlighter, which is in conjunction with the Wet n Wild bronzer slash highlighter duo. Highlighters, they take years to pan. I feel like even such a small little square block here is going to take quite a bit. I don't use this as often as I should have, but hopefully in the next 3 months I will find some way to use this more often and in different ways. That way I get more usage out of this. And the last two products that were included in my project pan were eyeliners. This one is the e.l.f. Brow and Lock-On Liner Cream. This is in the shade called Espresso. Have not used this. I have not used this at all ever since we started. I'm guilty. I know. I'm sorry. I take a long time doing my makeup already. I don't want to add another 30 extra to 1 hour time frame added onto my existing makeup time. So, and then I just completely forget to use this. I don't use eyeliner, so this doesn't really have any progression, and I don't know what I'm going to do with that product. The next eyeliner I had is the Sinful Colors Dare to Stare Retractable Eyeliner. This one's in the black color. There's still quite a bit of this in there. I don't think I've got photos of this one because either I forgot to take original photos or something, but this one has no update on it. And of course, I did not include eyeshadow. I finished my setting spray at like the very beginning of Project Pan, which I noted in my 3-month update. And I have not panned any new mascaras. But I think that is everything that I have to mention in this Project Pan. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I hope to see you in my next update, in my 9-month update. And of course, my 1-year update. So definitely stay tuned for those. As always, have an awesome rest of your day and or week. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys. If you would like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click the links on your screen.